Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, we dip a lot of cars here, you know that. And a lot of the projects come out great. They come out exactly the way that we expect them to. Some of them don't, but once in a while, we just gotta do something weird. We've gotta take a risk. It just makes it more exciting for us. Now, one base color that I've wanted to use for a long time, because oranges just don't get enough love, is safety cone orange. It's right here, it's on the Mustang right now. It is a bright, bold orange, and we were starting to think, what would be an awesome pearl to put over safety cone orange? So Gabe and I, we went to the pearl rack and we started looking at the ones that would make a lot of sense, like a yellow pearl or a gold pearl. And I picked up this Bionic color shift. Bionic is a blue to gold color shift. And I said, Gabe, what do you think about Bionic? And show him the face he made when I told him. It was worse than that, actually. He was really unhappy about the idea of putting a blue and gold color shift over an orange base, because theoretically, this is going to be a disaster. It makes no sense at all. But that's what I like about it. So we're going to do Bionic color shift over safety cone orange, and if this doesn't work out, let it be known that it's Gabe's fault because he didn't effectively discourage me from this. So either way, let's see what happens. Real quick, I gotta walk you through how many grams per gallon we're thinking for this project. Now, it is absolutely critical that the base color does not get suffocated by the pearl. Not only do we want the orange to play a role, but if you take a completely contrasting pearl and try to put it over that base and try to go for full coverage, you're gonna be fighting cloudiness the entire time. And nobody has time for that. So what we wanna do is put a very small pearl load in so that all we're doing is dispersing the pearl very thinly over the car and just adding the effect of the pearl while you can still see the orange. So believe it or not, we're gonna start with 5 grams per gallon. That may not be enough, but we can always add more to the mix. You can't really take away. So 5 grams a gallon to start. I'll let you know at the end of the video if we had to add more. right, guys, we are done. Now, I learned a long time ago that trying to verbally articulate what the end result looks like is just a waste of everyone's time. We're gonna take it outside and let the car speak for itself. The one thing I will say is this: I am not gonna be scared to put any pearl over any base after this. I don't care what face Gabe makes when I make a suggestion. We're gonna keep getting weird because I don't know where the limit is at this point. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of different car kits. Most of them are very user-friendly. If you have any questions at all, call in during business hours. We'd love to talk to you guys about all the different projects that you're working on. It's Fonzie. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to me. We're gonna go outside and check out the end result. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I read all the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.